Hi first grade, this is Mrs. Bruns from Ben Franklin Elementary School, and today I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about reading. You guys have been learning a lot about books and how to approach them and learning about taking sneak peeks, finding information inside of books, but today we're going to go on a little adventure when we read. Now, something really important that you might not know about reading is that when you read stories, you're not just going along behind the character. You're also looking ahead at what's going to happen next. Now, you're going to think, what happened already? And then make a prediction of what might happen next in the book. Now, when I make a prediction, I might think, maybe, or I think that, and I think ahead of what's going to happen. And sometimes books will give you clues or feelings about something that's going to happen. So you might be feeling like, oh no, I think something bad is going to happen, or I really think something good is going to happen on the next few pages. So when we're reading today, I'm going to be listening to the clues the authors leave and then think about my feelings when I'm trying to make a prediction. Today we're going to be reading Iris and Walter and the Field Trip. Iris and Walter are great books. There's a lot of them. It's a series, so I think you're really going to enjoy this one. And our goal today is to make some predictions and think, what's going to happen next? Thinking ahead about what's going to happen. So here's the table of contents. Chapter 1 is the aquarium. Chapter 2 is the bus ride. Chapter 3 is Where's Walter? And Chapter 4 is the rescue. Oh no, I have a feeling. Do you have a feeling, readers? I'm thinking that something's going to happen. Sounds like there's going to be a field trip because it's Iris and Walter in the field trip. And it sounds like something is going to happen where there has to be a rescue. I think that maybe someone's going to get lost. What do you think, first grade? Maybe someone will get lost going on this field trip. I wonder who it would be. Well, there's obviously a clue here, right? From the author, where's Walter? Did anyone think Walter might be getting lost on this field trip? Because I did. Let's see what's going to happen next. Chapter 1, the aquarium. One day, Iris's teacher, Miss Cherry, had an exciting announcement. This Friday, we're going on a field trip to the aquarium. The aquarium, said Iris's best friend, Walter. Oh boy. Sounds like Walter's really excited. So now I know who Walter is, and I know that they're going to be going to the aquarium. Are we going to see the sharks? Asked Benny. Are we going to see the penguins? Asked Iris. Are we going to see the starfish? Asked Jenny. We are all going to see many wonderful things, said Miss Cherry. That night, Walter had supper at Iris's house. Our class is going on a field trip, Rosie, said Iris. Up, said baby Rose. Where are you going? Asked Iris's father. We're going to the aquarium, said Iris. On the bus, said Walter. Sounds like they're really excited to go on this field trip. I'm thinking that on the next pages that maybe they might be going on their field trip. What do you guys think? Chapter 2, the bus ride. I wonder what they're going to do on the bus. I think sometimes when people are on buses, they sing songs, so I might think they might be singing a song. On Friday morning, Miss Cherry said, we are very lucky to have Jenny's mother come on the field trip with us today. Jenny gave her mother a big hug. I know we're going to have a great time, said Miss Cherry. I think they're going to have really a lot of fun. What do you guys think? Sounds like they're really excited. Now, let's go over the rules. Remember, pay attention, hang on to your partner, stay with the group, and if you get lost, stay where you are and I will find you, said Miss Cherry. First grade, I am having a feeling inside of me because Miss Cherry said, if you get lost, stay where you are and I will find you. Do you guys think that someone's going to break Miss Cherry's rules? I think someone might. I've never been lost. Have you? Iris asked Lulu. No, and I sure wouldn't want to be, said Lulu. That would be scary, said Benny. Really scary, said Walter. I'm thinking something's going to be happening. It sounds like Miss Cherry had some rules, right? She said, hang on to your partner, stay with the group, and if you get lost, stay where you are and I'll find you. So when I'm making a prediction, I'm thinking about the things that I know. And I know that in the table of contents, it said that someone was going to get lost or there'd be a rescue, right? I think that someone might get lost, but Miss Cherry told them what to do, so that person might follow the rules. What do you guys think? The children climbed aboard the school bus. Iris and Walter chose the very last seat. They bounced up and down. Betty told knock-knock jokes. Lulu made up silly fish songs. Everyone was happy and excited. Nobody thought any more about getting lost. They keep mentioning getting lost. I feel like this is an author's clue to help me make a prediction. I really think that someone is going to get lost. I bet you guys are probably thinking the same thing, right? Chapter 3, where's Walter? Uh-oh. Dun, dun, dun. I have that feeling inside of me that someone is going to be lost. And I have a feeling from an author's clue here that it might be Walter. So I'm going to make a prediction that something's going to happen at the aquarium and that Walter might get lost. When the bus pulled up in front of the aquarium, Iris said, "Look at all the people." "Hey, Walter," said Benny. "That boy's wearing a shirt just like yours." "He is," said Walter. Look, they pointed out this one boy in this picture. Everyone else is dark, but that one boy is wearing the same shirt as Walter. I wonder if that's going to have to do with anything in the book. I don't know. So first grade, I'm going to stop here in Iris and Walter in the field trip because I don't want to give it all away, and I want to give you guys a chance to make some predictions. So when you're reading, remember that good readers, they make predictions when they read. They think, what's going to happen next in this book? And then they listen or look with their eyes for clues the author is going to give in the different feelings. Remember, these clues help you make a prediction about what's going to happen next. When you read books and when you finish reading Iris and Walter in the field trip today, I want you to be making predictions as you read and think, I think this is going to happen, or maybe this is going to happen. Hope you enjoyed this reading lesson, first grade. It's great to see you guys. I hope that you're reading lots at home and enjoying all the books that you read. We'll see you soon. Bye.